Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to review this product. Create simple automated website for local businesses. Unleash your digital potential. Tap into the future of web design, AI powered, fast and effortless. Unleash your creativity with our intuitive marketing editor. Create, enter, choose, built-in, engage, free, visitors, customers. You are one click away from turning artificially intelligent, 100% responsive, local friendly. With us, create a stunning multi-page website in seconds. AI does all the heavy lifting for you. No need to find here. Why user love pages, visitors custom. No website, no business. Okay, even big brands suffer huge losses if their website have poor design, slow loading space and look ugly on mobile. Poorly designed website, slow loading speed, website unresponsive on mobile, website undone, no clear call to action. If you want your business to grow, you cannot afford to miss out on turning visitors into paying customers because of the bad looking website page. You need a stunning website and beautiful pages that leaves you with three options. Option 1, hire someone. Option 2, buy complicated tools to create it yourself. Step 3, build it from scratch. But now we have built a fourth option that creates a stunning website, landing page, marketing funnels in seconds. If you can buy this product, please check this video's description.